Mm. Hello, y'all. So today we're going to be talking about integer operations. We do have one vocabulary word. Our vocabulary word is zero pairs. And a zero pair is when you take a negative number with the same value and you combine it with a positive number of the same value. And what happens is they equal to zero. So, for example, if I start at zero on a number line and I go to the left one space to -1, to get back to zero, I would have to add one. So I have to go to the right one time. So it'd be +1, not +0. And it'll get to 0. For example, a positive counter and a negative counter combined equals. Next, we'll be adding integers. And what I'm going to do is show you how to add integers using standard algorithm with the same sign. So first thing you do, if we have -3 plus -3, we see that they're both negative numbers. So what I like to do is I like to draw a T-chart. One side is positive, the other side is negative. So I'm looking at the numbers and I see that the number that I have is -3, so I'm going to put that 3 under the negative sign. Then I have another -3 and I'm going to put that under the negative sign. Since they are the same sign, we're going to combine them. Okay? And then we get -6. Next we can solve. Next we're going to solve using counters, and counters are usually demonstrated by using colors. Positive colors usually are demonstrated with either white or yellow, which in this case we're going to use yellow. And negative colors are usually demonstrated with pink, but we're going to use pink. I mean red, but we're going to use pink. And positive is yellow, negative is pink. So if we have the problem -2 plus -3, that means we have to put two negative counters down first. So that's 1, that's 2. And then we're going to add 3 negative counters at the bottom. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And combine all together, it is -5. Next, we're going to start by solving using a number line. So if we look, our first number is -3. So we're going to start at 0. And I'm writing start at 0 because that's our starting point. And we're going to draw a line and go to the left 3 times. And we end up at -3. Then we're going to start at -3. And I'm looking at the negative number and it's telling me to go to the left 1 time. The ending point is at the end of the arrow and we end up at -4.